Hi kids! Today we're learning about space vehicles, amazing machines that help astronauts travel and explore the universe. Flying taxi.
Yay! A flying taxi is a small aircraft that carries people quickly over busy cities. Would you like to ride high above the traffic?
Rocket.
Yay! A rocket is a tall space vehicle that blasts off to carry astronauts or satellites into space. Can you imagine the loud roar at liftoff?
Space shuttle.
Yay! A space shuttle is a reusable spaceship that carried astronauts to space and back. Would you like to float inside a shuttle in zero gravity?
Mars Rover.
Yay! A Mars Rover is a robot car that drives on Mars to study rocks and soil. Do you want to drive a car on another planet?
Satellite launcher.
Yay! This vehicle carries satellites into orbit around Earth. Can you picture it releasing tiny satellites into space?
Cargo rocket.
Yay! A cargo rocket carries food, tools, and supplies for astronauts. Would you pack snacks for space travel?
Space probe.
Yay! A space probe travels very far to study planets and stars. Can you imagine sending a robot to Saturn?
Lunar lander.
Yay! This special vehicle lands on the moon to carry astronauts safely. Would you like to leave your footprints on the moon?
Space capsule.
Yay! A capsule is a small round vehicle that brings astronauts back to Earth. Can you imagine splashing down in the ocean?
Reusable rocket.
Yay! These modern rockets can land back safely and be used again. Would you clap when a rocket lands on its own?
Orbiter.
Yay! An orbiter circles around planets to take pictures and study them. Would you like to see Earth from space?
Deep space explorer.
Yay! This vehicle is built to travel far into deep space. Can you dream of flying beyond the stars?
Moon buggy.
Yay! A moon buggy is a small car astronauts use to drive on the moon. Would you take a ride on bumpy moon roads?
Space plane.
Yay! A space plane looks like a jet but can fly into space. Would you like to zoom from Earth to space in one ride?
Solar sail.
Yay! A solar sail is powered by sunlight to move across space. Isn't it amazing that sunlight can push a ship?
Crew dragon.
Yay! Crew Dragon is a modern capsule built by SpaceX to carry astronauts. Would you like to sit inside a touchscreen spaceship?
Starship.
Yay! Starship is a giant rocket being built to travel to Mars. Do you dream of being on the first trip to Mars?
Sky crane.
Yay! A sky crane helped lower rovers gently on Mars. Would you like to see a robot parachuting down?
Space tug.
Yay! A A space tug moves satellites from one orbit to another. Can you imagine towing things in space?
Interplanetary ship.
Yay!
An interplanetary ship will carry humans between planets one day. Would you like to travel to Mars on a spaceship?
Yay!
Great job, little explorers! Today you learned about space vehicles that take us beyond Earth. Keep dreaming big, because maybe one day you will fly to the stars.